Good morning, everyone. God has let me live another day, and I am about to make it everyone's problem.
How tall are you?
6'4".
How tall are you?
I am 5 foot 2 inches and 3/4. I will destroy you.
I'm mad at you. Let's fight.
Put that away, you psycho! Oh my god. Jesus.
Hey! What? Are you asleep? Really?
I'm ready, boys! What are you... What the are you wearing? We said be tactical, dude! This is not tactical!
Respect the drip, Karen.
Okay, you know what? You're in timeout! Get on top of the fridge! Get up there! This house is a fucking nightmare!